Did you know scientists just 3D printed a beating human heart that could save millions of lives? Researchers at Tel Aviv University did something that sounds like science fiction. They took fat cells from a patient and turned them into heart muscle. Then they used a special 3D printer to build a living heart layer by layer. The hardest part was printing tiny blood vessels that actually work. Hearts need thousands of these vessels to pump blood. The scientists figured out how to print them so perfectly that they connect and flow just like real ones. They tested it on a rabbit heart first. After printing, it beat for hours completely on its own. The heart was alive and pumping blood. Right now, the printed hearts are only rabbit-sized. But human trials start in 2025. This could change everything. Over 100,000 people are waiting for heart transplants. Many die waiting. But with 3D printed hearts made from your own cells, there's no waiting list and no rejection. Your body accepts it because it is your body. This technology could end heart disease deaths forever.